Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Raptive payout verification, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin the authentication process with Raptive payout verification, first, navigate to the Raptive website. Log into your account using your registered email and password. Once logged in, locate the settings or profile section. In the settings menu, find the option for payout verification. Click on the payout verification option to proceed. You will be prompted to enter your payment information. Fill in your preferred payout method, such as PayPal or bank transfer. Ensure all information is accurate to avoid any delays. After entering your payment details, look for an option to upload verification documents. Prepare the necessary documents, such as identification or tax forms. Upload the required documents following the specified format and size guidelines. Next, review all entered information and uploaded documents for accuracy. Once verified, submit your payout verification request. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your request has been received. Raptive will review your submission, which can take several business days. Check your email for updates on the status of your payout verification. Once approved, return to your Raptive account to confirm your payout settings. Make any adjustments as needed based on your verification status. Your account is now ready for payout processing through Raptive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.